In this video, you will see how to build a complete WordPress website with the help of AI completely for free in less than 3 minutes. Let's get started. First of all, go to a website to create your free account. After that, click on Create New Project and select WordPress. Then select the version of WordPress you want to use. In this video, I will be using WordPress 6.1. Next, select the hosting provider. You can choose any one of them. And then select the data center location. After that, fill in your project details such as project name, email, and select the currency. Finally, click on Finish to complete the creation of your project. After finishing the previous step, you will be taken to the dashboard of your project where you can see an overview of your project. Now go to the left menu and click on Launch App. Click on Start Building to start building your website. Now, select the template for your website. You can search for it by using the search box, or you can select it from the categories. There are many beautiful templates available. Just pick the one that suits your needs. Once you are done selecting the template, click on Select to apply it to your website. Now, ChatGPT will ask you some questions about your website, so you have to answer them one by one. After that, it will generate the content for your website. As you can see here, the status is generating content. So, we will wait for it until it completes the process. Depending on the amount of content you have, it may take some time to generate all the content. If you want to stop the process before completing, you can click on Stop Generating at any time. While ChatGPT is generating our website content, we can go back to the dashboard and do some settings for our website. For example, we can change the domain name. To do that, go to the left menu and click on Domains. Click on Add Domain and then add your custom domain or use the one provided to you. Another thing we can do is set up the SSL certificate. To do that, go to the left menu and click on Click on Autofill. After that, click on Let's Encrypt and then click on Start. We can also set up the email for our website. To do that, go to the left menu and click on Email. Click on Add Record. Then add your email address and select the type of email you want to set up. You can set up as many emails as you want. While these processes are being performed, we can return to the previous page and continue with the website building process. As you can see, the status has changed to generating complete. Now you can preview the website by clicking on Preview. This is how our website looks. It's really nice, right? But we haven't connected our domain name to this project yet. To do that, go to the left menu and click on Connect Domain. Click on Add Domain and then add your custom domain to this project. After that, click on Save Changes. Now let's go back to the website and make some changes to it. You can do that by using the editor. To open the editor, click on Edit. You can make any changes you want to the website. For example, you can change the text in this section. You can also change the images in the post. To do that, go to the post and click on Edit Media. Click on Upload Files and then upload the image you want to use. Next, click on Use this image. When you finish making changes to the website, you can preview it again by clicking on Preview. When you are completely done with the website and want to publish it, you can click on Publish. Your website has now been successfully published. You can view your website by clicking on View Site. This is how it looks like. It's really a beautiful website, isn't it? You can also share your website link with others. To do that, click on Share, click on Copy, Link to copy, the link to your clipboard. You can now paste the link anywhere you want to share it. That's it! In this video, you learned how to build a WordPress website with the help of AI completely for free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.